So I'm kind of looking at this right now, and I just charted out, previous day high, hourly gaps, 4 hour gaps, and whatnot, and we're in an hourly and a 4 hour here. Stacked up, but I don't want to chart that because the 1 hour is actually holding me off well. We have 4 hour SMTs at the highs. I kind of want to see us Judas swing this 15-minute liquidity. If we could Judas swing this low, just swing it in these first 30 minutes, I guess you could say. Judas swing these lows, and we target the previous day high. Like we see a movement like this, boom, and then from here, higher to here, or even all the way down to this 1 hour near the midnight level. And from here, we just look for this is the play, the manipulation lower, the Judas swing lower. We respect this SMT for now, because we kind of did break 15-minute structure to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just go lower, but don't respect it for the day. You know what I mean? There's not much. Yeah, what's holding us down on ES, at least it's still within this daily gap and the 4 hour gap. So this is like kind of ping ponging us in this consolidation range. Right now we're a bit in a wedge. Boom, boom, nice big wedge on the 15 higher time frames as well. We're not on a wedge here because we just swept these highs. ES didn't. So this could be a sign that we may have just manipulated through all of this consolidation here, manipulated some highs, and now we could distribute even lower, back down to yesterday's lows and whatnot. So we're gonna wait and see what the fuck they say, see what the fuck happens and whatnot, and yeah. But I do kind of want to see us. I want to see an entry for us to go lower. So if we see like a wick high and then go lower, then I would kind of respect that. Super trend is also telling me we're really bullish too, so like I do want to see us sweep some liquidity on the downside for us to just continue higher. Yeah, like these are like very obvious draws of liquidity for us to just sweep. Like on ES we have this 5-minute gap down here that could really make us bounce. This 5-minute could make us bounce, especially after sweeping all these relative equal lows. So on ES, we sweep all these relative equal lows, bounce from this 5-minute. We continue higher. Wouldn't be a bad shout. Let's go on that hourly. Let's see the hourly gaps. First presented hourly gap is here. So yeah, honestly speaking, this shit would not be bad. Not be bad if, yeah, we just see huge wicks to the downside on the 15 or the 5, and we just catch reversals from there to higher. Because honestly speaking, that's what's probably gonna happen. But essentially our overall draw is this previous day high. As previous diet, high is essentially our draw 5 minutes about to go inverse. Alright, 5 minutes about to go inverse. I'm gonna take out this, maybe even this, or hold this. Thing is that this 5 minutes, there's still 15-minute though. I wanna see this 15-minute instead of the 5 minute. Let me mark out these south side here as well. Now let's go listen to the chat. See what Danny Gaines got to say. We have relatively good lows there now. Boom, liquidity level low there. Swept. News for today, I'm pretty sure only Trump at 2 o'clock, so we have plenty of time. We have a 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hours. It's an hourly low, so if we're able to take out that hourly low, we're good. Over there. Another hourly here. So on the 5 minute, we came down, respect this 5 minute BPR, now bouncing. There's a 5 minute BPR here. Respecting the 15 minute aligned with the 5 minute, because this 15 minute here. Qué rico el mate. Yeah, we have SMT. Because if we inverse this 5 minute, then we're gonna go lower, but we'll only go. Yeah, there are a lot of lows that we could tag before going higher, so that's the thing. Or if anything, we sweep previously high, then come and fill in all the gaps left behind. I wouldn't like to see that though, but you know. ES is looking for lower. ES is looking for lower. NQ just swept some buy side on the 1 minute as well, right here, this high. And we created another SMT up here, low key, boom. It's 5 minutes closing super strong. And this quick scalp to that high. Boom. Tag down MNQ. Oh, NQ. Did I tag NQ? If anything, this might be the manipulation leg higher. High. And we might go lower. Anywhere from here, we might just go lower to 150. Alright, we swept it right now. Mainly wait 5 minutes. I'm still charting. Going for hourly highs now. SMT with previous day highs now. Still respecting this trend line going lower though. I'm gonna get rid of this SMT. SMT now is only what previous day high. I'm charting out hourly highs. It just took out an hourly high. So those are all hourly highs. So the hourly high, we could Judas swing this, honestly. Now that I look at it, we have SMTs at the highs, sweat more hourly highs. Previous day high was swept. We could get a nice Judas swing. Now we have stacked SMTs. No, ES still needs to, I think ES needs to sweep that. You see a nice pullback though. Need to really get in. for me to get in. This is too strong for us to like not take right now, because he still needs to take out these highs. Jesus fuck. I'm targeting that 1 hour gap now. Yeah, I'm targeting that 1 hour gap now, because this is just way too strong. This 5 minute is massive, bro. I'm gonna hold it to that 1 hour gap, because ES still hasn't taken out this high. Alright, I'm out that trade. We might get a nice pullback. Even a 5 minute gap on ES. Now I'm in, because we had a 1 minute pullback, creating this 5 minute gap. I'm liking this, man. I'm liking this. I'm still liking this for higher, man. Into that gap. Yup, this high could be the target. I need ES to take out this high. I'm still in this trade because I'm waiting for ES to take out that high, but it's not, so I'm out of it. Never took out that high. We're in a 1 hour, a 1 minute gap now. Wow, we really are not taking out that high. I don't know how I like this. I'm gonna wait for a 5 minute to get tapped before we go higher, because this is a 4 hour high up here that we could probably take out. Plus, ES needs to take that shit out now. Gonna wait for the 1 minute. This is way too strong. Tap the 1 minute gap. That's about it. Just tap the 1 minute gap. 2 minute gap. There's 2 minute gaps all over the place. 2 minute gap just got tagged. 3 minute as well. thing's just way too clean for a continuation, bro. It's still just so early though that we're gonna wait for the 5 minutes to get formed. 5 minute and a 15-minute candle right here. I want to see the 15-minute resweep this or fail this right here, and then we continue lower to this 5 minute. Yeah, AES is still being held down, but I want to see ES sweep this high. Yeah, SMTs. See a resweep with this 5 minute here. We go inverse. I want to anticipate the inverse, but then again I don't, bro, because we're delivering from this 1 minute continuation. After sweeping though. Yeah, I'm taking this sissy. 30-second pullback now. I'm in here. I got in right here. 5 minute. I'm targeting the low at 520. Anticipating a 5 minute inversion. Let's go to 30-second. Let's see how the 30-second is going to deliver here. Wonderful. Now let's deliver with speed. Oh, this 5 minute could deliver us though. TS looking like what's the 15 minute looking like? Not liking this. Let's go lower. Right, I'm gonna be out of that one right there. I'll be out of that one right there. I'm not liking the way we're displacing right now. There's so many stacked SMTs. I want to see a resweep. I'm gonna take three micros here. Taking 3 micros here. All the way down to this low again. I need to see like a 1 minute go inverse or a 5 minute go inverse. This 5 minutes still way too strong though. I need this entire 5 minute like Perfect. Stopping my position there. Just because we tapped the 5 minute. Let's see, is there like a 1 minute inversion or some shit? Got the breaker formation on the 1 minute. And 30-second could be holding this shit down. Sweep, sweep. Money sweep right here on this breaker. There's a 4-hour high up there, that's what it is, man. Keep the relative equal lows low key. $15-minute is like super bullish right now. $15-minute gap is gonna open soon. I see this here. 15-minute gap is gonna open soon with the hourly close above. So I kind of don't want to take anything right now. I'm taking a short right now. Short stab to the equilibrium. And we have equilibrium. 15-minute gap is opening up soon. Equilibrium is aligned with the first resonant 1 minute here. So I just got in right here on this stab here to target this gap, this 1 minute SIB here. So I want to see stronger displacement into this first resonant gap. This volume is so shit though, I want to see it deliver more. There it goes right now. So I don't want this gap to hold this up though. This huge 1 minute gap. Oh, well done. It's great 2 candle pullback. We see an inversion of this 1 minute, then I'm out. If we do see an inversion of this 1 minute, then I am out. Because it just shows that the 15-minute candle is still going to continue higher. It's not an inversion, so that's cool with me. Still not an inversion. Still no inversion. Still no inversion there. Again, still no inversion there. Inversion's coming in 30 seconds maybe. Boom, now that was an inversion. Boom, out of that trade. I might stab this long. Gonna wait for the... We inverse delivering from a 5-minute gap. See a retap there. Wow, this is Chop City, bro. Let's see what 10 o'clock wants to do. Let's see what 10 o'clock wants to do now. So I'm gonna FEG. Come on, lower. Come on, lower, 10 o'clock. 4 hours looking bullish now. We might just be going. Yep, looking for this to go higher now. Wow, it didn't TP me. Cool, got T. Took a long there to this high on On M&Q it took me out at least. Much higher does it want to go? Now this would be nice for an inversion to the downside. 1 hour and a 4 hour gap now. 1 hour inversion to like, ES still hasn't swept it though. ES still hasn't swept that level. London high might be it. Previous day London high. Inversion, taking it. Pretty much just swept everything. And now we just swept this high on. Yeah, so it's only a previous day high now. But ES is looking super strong now. It came back down to the 5 minute, created an SMT with the 5 minute. Any pullback, taking higher. So the 4 hour, how's the 4 hour looking? I'm gonna come down and touch. Here. A little bit lower now. Nice breaker set up to this 15-minute low. This breaker set up, nice breaker set up, come on. Nice breaker, 1 minute inverse. Those lows would be nice. To the 15-minute gap lows, or even a bounce from the 15-minute gap would be nice. There's no way we continue right now. Sweep this high. Can we sweep this? longs for higher. I know I'm not supposed to, but I know there's a lot of dumbasses just shorting this. So I know retail's gonna get chopped up right now. I think I'm gonna just front run this shit, bro. I'm gonna just front run this. Actually, if not, I'm holding this. 721. ES still has room. ES still has room for the previous day high. So I'm gonna keep holding this until previous day high gets swept on ES. Alright, I'm low-key out of this long. I need to see another pullback. I need to see like another pullback. I feel like right now we'll get the pullback somewhere into here, or even sweep these lows. I want to see a 15-minute pullback. We haven't gotten a 15-minute pullback yet. Let's see. This entire leg up. Yeah, if equilibrium is aligned with the 15-minute gap. So I'm gonna see this 15-minute get pulled back into this. Alright, now I'm in shorts all the way down to this 15-minute. Wow, this reversed so cleanly on me though. Aligned with the 15-minute gap down below. Need to see that 15-minute get tagged though. Don't like this. respecting a 1 minute clean, but I want to see this 15-minute get tagged. Out of this. Out of that trade there. Just because this 1 minute could get respected and we inverse. Came, touched the equilibrium in the 1 minute there. Couldn't sweep anything. We inverse this 1 minute gap here. I'm front running this shit, bro. Respect to this 5 minute. This 1 minute. If we inverse this 1 minute, then 5 minutes being respected super cleanly. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm targeting this London high. Let's look at previous weeks. This London high is a pretty good draw, I'm not gonna lie to you. London high is a pretty great draw. Typical highs there. Yeah, I like that. Sweep, or are we just taking this? I want to see the 15-minute get tapped, or one of these first presented. This one got tagged, that's about it. Let's wait and see. 15-minute just opened again. Struggling to break this level now. Going lower again. To this wick. Targeting the wick low now, the 5 minute. It's because we're failing to break this 1 minute. Because boom, we swept. change state and delivery returned. We're still in an hourly and a 4 hour. We kind of need to go deeper retracement because all we're doing is just ripping. And yes, he's stronger now. Strong displacement with some speed. And the 15-minute needs to get tagged. There's no 15-minute gap that's kind of tagged. Yeah, it's failing to break higher. I'm low-key out of this trade because it's consolidating too much. There's no speed. So either I wait for the sweep, which I might just do. I might just wait for the sweep just to preserve some mental capital. I'm gonna wait for the resweep. And then that's a nice strong candle closure. This could be a manipulation like that. Alright, let's wait till the 15-minute gets tagged. You wait for an entry. If the 15-minute gets tagged. Gap is still holding well. These are the levels that really do matter. Let's look at the 5-minute. Boom. Still continuing higher. Let's wait a little bit more. Can we get SMT? Can we get an SMT within this 5-minute gap? Give me something lower first. One more lower. I'm waiting to see this. I want to see that really quick. I want to see this into this gap right here, this IFEG. 10 o'clock is right here. It's the first 10 o'clock presented. Can we sweep it? Can we sweep it? Yes, brother, yes. There's a 15-minute here. No resweep relative equal lows created. I don't know how I feel about this now. Okay. Do we just deliver from that now, from this gap? Is this gap gonna be the one chopping us up in this range now? 5-minute looks bullish with this gap now. Maybe we couldn't get that SMT. That SMT would have been bonus for me, bro. I'm in longs. Picking up a lot of volume. A lot of volume just picked up. Targeting those 660s now. Kinda just want to leave it to run to those 720s of London high. This is nice, sissy. I don't like that wick. Respecting the 1 minute order block. You see the disrespect to that order block though. A lot of people had orders there. Pushing it lower now. We did inverse this 1 minute though. Did we push higher from here now? Don't like that. We're chopping now. again. I want to see these SMTs form, bro. Swept this, respected 1 minute OB. Swept this, respected 1 minute OB. SMT formed. Then a 5 minute gap now. Uh-oh. Are we gonna dump here? We dumping down to the 15 minute now. IFVG just got tagged. This 1 minute got tagged now. Uh-oh. 15 minutes getting tagged now. Yeah, it doesn't care about this now. 15 minute getting tagged. No, we are not. Alright, let's see. Let's look at the 1 minute return. Flip of the 5, but we also got SMTs at the lows. Clean. First presented got tagged or no? First presented did not get tagged. Just barely missed it. for nice displacement to the upside though. Now I'm going for those 660 levels. Might just target those 720s, bro. I'm gonna go for the home run today. Gonna target those. Out of that position there. Look, you want to bottom take this shit. Jesus fuck. Going lower. Going lower, just wonderful. Mid longs. Tag first percent in 1 minute. I am mid longs now. All the way back to the highs, bro. Because I don't think this gap is gonna hold. I need to see this 30-second inverse. Relative highs up here. Gonna get swept. Not resweep. Need to see a pullback now. Stronger pullback too, bro. This isn't strong enough. The typical highs up here, 1 minute gap up here. I'm in again. I need to see this higher, man. Is it 30-second print already or no? That's the target right now. This 1 minute gap is the target. Relative equal highs up there. see it go right now. Is there like a 5-minute gap there now? Yeah, there's a 5-minute gap there too, which makes it even better, bro. Wonderful. Tap the 5-minute gap now. Sold half my position there. I might just hold this one. So slow, bro. Perfect. Keep this place in now. Okay, I want to see another resweep. I might have all my positions there. I want to see another resweep. I want to see a resweep. Now let's see a resweep. So many SMTs at the lows. Well, the typical lows here. 5-minute gap as well. Sheesh. Perfect. This was the last sweep. Standard dip low was aligned with the 2 here and the 4 all the way down here. This is kind of the last manipulation leg though. 1 here, 2 all the way down there. Let's be patient. Because we just tagged the CE. We inverse this 5-minute and we're going to this London high. This is way too strong now. Let's look at the 4-hour. Want a 4-hour gap too though. Let's go back to 5. shape. Go on lower, bruv. Going a little bit lower. I'm in full position here. TP at 700. We already got all the pullbacks we needed. If you really do look at it like this. If you really do see it. We came down in between this. This is so clean. Going for those 700. Going on the 5 and watching this shit. $10.50 macros printing. No orders down below according to gains. ES has not taken out previous day high. I am expecting it to take out previous day high. So I'm gonna wait for it to take out previous day high. 5-minute is fucking printing. ES still hasn't taken it out. It's far from taking it out still. There's a 4-hour gap. Yes, there is a huge 4-hour gap. Again, I'm going for these highs. The 4-hour highs are all the way up here. Again, I need to see ES take out this high. Alright, so let's see. Out of that trade there, up 430 for the day. Fuck that. I don't know how I just turned the day around. I was, what the fuck? Bro, I gotta be more patient, man. What the fuck did I just catch? Brother, I need to be more patient, bro. I just turned my whole day around, bro. I was fucking down a shit ton. I had $100 left in my balance, bro, on drawdown. Bugged out. I locked myself out. I'll take 430 for the day, bro. Down 300 for the week. Take that shit, bro. Down 278 for the month so far. I don't give a fuck at this point. What the fuck is going me, bro? Gotta be more patient. It was obvious, bro. It was obvious. The draw was just 15-minute CE. Target the back to the highs. If I would have taken the trade from down here from the CE of this 1 minute as well, back to the highs, it would have been over 100 points. And I was calling it pre-market too, bro, but I was just so impatient. Lows there. Would have been a 1-5 RR. Like, that would have been insane. Been a toxic trade, but fuck it. ES still hasn't taken out highs. But fuck, what a trade. Oh my god, this shit had me sweating, bro. I think I got pitch stains now. But I'm done for the day. I'm knocking myself out on everything. Overall, it was a shitty day. If I wasn't a shitty